welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So for today's episode, I actually am going to be showing some footage that ended up on the cutting room floor of my previous video, which was about different stay-at-home hairstyles that you can rock. I just originally didn't include it because I didn't feel like it fit in very well with the other looks. But then when I reviewed the footage, I actually really liked the look and I wanted to share it with you guys, and it's quite a more challenging look. So definitely be very comfortable with braiding before you attempt it. So it's actually going to be a Dutch crown braid look that goes around your head, and I think it's great for the summer heat, and also you look put together for your Zoom calls. So yeah, I'm excited to share it with you guys. And if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm continuously coming up with a lot of informative and entertaining content, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. So to begin with, go ahead and brush out your hair and make sure that it is free of tangles. And for me, I start with a side part. And then what I'm going to be doing is essentially creating an inverted braid that's going to go all the way around the head. So I'm just going to section off a piece of hair, split it into 3, and then going under. And I like to, again, make it really tight. You can always pancake it or fluff it out later. And then just incorporating more hair to both ends, and then just continuing that pattern of bringing it under. So under, incorporate hair, under, incorporate hair, under. And then this is where I'm going to start braiding the back of my head again. So I think this look is pretty complicated, so definitely be comfortable with braiding before you attempt it, because even for me, it's pretty complicated. So you're just going to continue braiding, but you're going to braid along the bottom of your head, if that makes sense. Because you want to have, you're creating a braid headband that goes all around the head. So that's why. Just incorporating hair. Where it kind of gets tricky for me, because you're kind of braiding upwards. So it's a lot of kind of remembering where you were and grabbing hair in an upward motion. I don't know, for me, this part is the trickiest. Okay, once you've reached the very end, you want to tie it off with a clear elastic. And for this part, you just want to lay it flat against your hair. And I'm going to start taking some bobby pins. And I'll worry about hiding it well later. But I'm just going to first start pinning it in place. You want to definitely hide the elastics. Basically, you just want to kind of fluff out or pancake out this side in an attempt to hide it. So usually just take like a piece of hair over here and just go ahead and hide it. And I just use pretty much like a ton of bobby pins. And there you have it. So this is the finished look. I think it's just a really great way to get your hair out of your face. It does take a lot of practice. I don't even think I really mastered it yet, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed this bonus section, and stay tuned for more entertaining content. Bye!